Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I will show you how to split a table in Google Docs. So let's start. First of all, over here you can see I am here in Google Docs. This is one of my table which I want a split. So for now, what I want to do is I want to keep these 3 rows in one table and the next 4 rows in the second. For that, I will select these 4 rows and just click and drag down. You can see here I have splitted this table, but here it leaves the blank cells. To delete this, right click and select delete the rows. Also here this title bar is missing on second table. So for that I'll select one cell and right click and insert row above. You can see here one row is inserted. Now I'll copy this title bar and Ctrl C and Ctrl V. You can see here the table is splitted. In this way we can split table in Google Docs. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.